Let us solve a question on the impact of government expenditure on the equilibrium level of GDP. Question is, suppose consumption function is being given as is 1000 plus 0.9y. Y denotes the income, C is the consumption. Government expenditure is 400, investment is 100. Both are autonomous, either it is government expenditure or investment. X minus M, that means net exports is 0 and there are no income taxes. If government purchases increase by 100, equilibrium GDP will options are being given us: rise by 25%, rise by 1000, rise by a factor of 10, or none of the above. Okay, we need to find out how much the GDP will increase due to the change in the government expenditure by 100. Okay, so we know the basic income identity, that is our total income is equal to consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus export minus import. Okay, what we are being given here, we are being given this consumption function. Okay, so in place of C I can write that means our y will be equal to 1000 plus 0.9 y. First we need to find out the equilibrium level of income before the increase in government expenditure. Okay, uh, plus investment is being given as is 100, government expenditure is 400, net exporters or net importers is 0, so we write 0 here. Okay, so solving for y, transposing this to LHS, so we will get y minus 0.9 y will be equal to, this is 1000, 1400 plus 1, go 1500, so we have 1500. So when we subtract 0.9 y from y, we will get 0.1 y will be equal to 1500. Okay, 0.1 y can be written as 1 upon 10 y is equal to 1500. That means y will be equal to, multiplying both sides by 10, we will get 15,000. Okay, so before the change in the government expenditure, our equilibrium income is 15,000. Now we are being told that government expenditure or government purchases has increased by 100. So initially, if G is 400, it becomes 500. That means 400 plus the increase, that is 100. So it is 500. So if we solve this equation for new term, rather a new value of government expenditure, so same stuff will be there. So 1000 is same, 100 is same, 4 in place of 400 we will have 500. So let's write it here 500. Solve again, so we will get again solving for y minus 0.9 y, solving for new equilibrium level of income, so we will get here 1600. Okay, same step, we will get 0.1 y will be equal to 1600, or y will be equal to 1600 if we change this into one in fraction, so we will get 1 upon 10, it gets, or let's write it here, that means y will be equal to 1600 into 10, so y will be equal to 16,000. Okay, so this is our new equilibrium. That means change in income, change in GDP will be equal to the new GDP after the change in the government purchases minus the initial GDP, that is y. Okay, so initially our GDP was, or rather our new GDP is 16,000 minus 15,000. That means we have an increase of GDP by 1000. Okay, so correct option should be B option. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.